Welcome back, dear friends, to Taslima Maya Art. I'm Taz. It's wonderful to have you here. Today I'm going to be unboxing some exciting new oil painting supplies, and I simply can't wait. Don't forget, you can join me on Patreon for exclusive content or one-to-one support on your own creative journey. A big thank you goes out to all my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members, including Laurie Shaw, Let's Pour with Patty and BCC Arts. Thank you for your support. So let's unbox the new art supplies. Hi friends, I just want to show you what arrived. I'm so excited. I've got this big box of things and I want to show you what they are. So you may or may not know, I started my oil painting journey recently and I've taken a couple of classes. I think I've only really had 4 classes so far, and I ended up getting COVID and missing a couple, but I really wanted to have some oil paints at home to play with. Okay, so I bought this set, and this is Winton oil colour from Winsor Newton. It's 20 tubes, each of them are about 12 millilitres, so kind of big enough for a beginner, a starter, someone looking to see how they feel about the oil paints. And yeah, I mean, they look great to me. I mean, I think this is a perfect set for a beginner, you know, and we don't want too much paint to begin with, I think, just to make sure that we can get all those techniques and a blending right. Just pop that out to show you. So here are the tubes, and that's what they look like. We've got a lovely range of colours here: French ultramarine, cerulean blue, emerald green looks interesting, viridian hue, sap green. I like sap green. It'd be great for doing florals and botanical paintings. We've got rose, pale rose blush, so if I do any portraits it'll be useful. Yellow ochre, burnt sienna, Van Dyke brown and lamp black. And then we've got another set. It's quite nice having a 20-piece set because most sets were only 12 pieces, and I know you can mix your oil paints up and create your own colours, which I will do, but it's just nice to have a bit of a range, I think, when you're starting out. This one, it's got phthalo blue, magenta, cobalt violet hue, permanent rose, cadmium red deep hue, scarlet lake, cadmium orange, chrome yellow hue, cadmium lemon hue and titanium white. Okay, so we've got both the black and the white with that set, and quite a few good range of colours there, so we can do some good colour mixing, I think, together. So that's a nice little starter or beginner set for somebody starting out with oil painting, and I'm looking forward to expanding my journey and developing myself in terms of growth with oil painting. I also ordered this, and this is an oil medium. Okay, I'll just move this out of the way for you so you can see better. So this is an oil medium. It's purified linseed oil, and what that does is extend the drying time. It also thins down the paint a little bit and helps it flow better on your brush, on your canvas. So yeah, it's a nice little glass bottle. Slow dry, fluid, opaque. I think it's got a few different things there, but yeah, mix with oils to add transparency and gloss and create glazes. That's what that's for. Okay, so that's super exciting. We've got the paints and the medium. Now, you don't really need medium. You can use turpentine and other things, paint thinners, but I wanted to use something that wasn't too you know, bad for your breathing. I had too much solvent in it. We do have this as well. I did order some distilled turpentine to clean off my brushes, so that's really useful. Strong thinner and brush cleaner, it says. So this has got solvent in it. You need to keep ventilation in your room if you're using oil paints anyway, so yeah, I'll be using this in moderation and keeping an eye on how much of it is contaminating the room and making sure windows open. So keep tightly closed and away from light to prevent oxidization. Do not use if it has thickened, fast evaporating. Okay, so yeah, it's got a few warning symbols in the back, so I'll be mostly using this one. You can use other types of mediums. I'll tell you about them when I tell you a bit more about what I did with my first oil painting. There will be a video coming out on my first oil painting. It's a beautiful kingfisher, and I hope you like it. It'll be step by step, so I'll be explaining each of the steps I'm learning as I go along as a beginner with oil painting. Anyway, that's it. So thank you for joining me at the moment and seeing with new products. The only last thing I didn't mention was this, and this is satin varnish. And I bought this because I want to be able to varnish some of my watercolour paintings You can use fixative obviously as well, but you can also use satin varnish, which is nice. And also my pencil drawings as well. So that's it from me today, and thank you for joining me. See you in a bit. Oh, also, before I forget, my oil painting teacher, I've been having classes for a few weeks, gave me some freebies, and that's these water mixable oil colours from Artisan Winsor Newton. And she just said I could have them because she had no use for these. So I can't wait to test these out and see what they're like compared to normal oil paints or regular traditional oil paints. These are water mixable, which means that you can wash them off with water, you can mix water into them, and you can use them that way, which sounds super interesting, particularly because it means that you don't have to use things like linseed oil or any type of turpentine or anything that's really not good for your lungs or your health. So I can't wait to try these out and test them on a future video. Yay! So thank you for watching this short 10-minute video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great week, and bye for now. Oh, and don't forget, every Saturday at 5 PM EST, 10 PM UK, I have a collaboration called the Creative Art Collective. So do join us for some great art and some fun in the live chat.